I kept my heart in folded lace, buried deep in winter's grace. Every echo, every touch, too brittle now, too much, too much. The letters faded in the rain, a quiet proof of love's remains. I told the stars to turn away and watch the colors lose their way. No one knocks on ruined doors, and no one waits where silence pours. I let the garden turn to dust. I feared again, I lost my trust. Love left me in April's gray, with petals wilted into clay. I wore the hurt like second skin, afraid to let a light begin. But in the hush of breaking skies, a warmth returned I'd long denied. You didn't ask for all of me, but found the part I tried to flee. You spoke in quiet, trembling hues, like morning sun on shattered roofs. I almost ran, I almost cried, but somehow stayed there by your side. Your hands did not demand the flame, you held the ash and knew my name. You didn't fix the cracks I bore, you traced them gently, nothing more. Love found me in fractured bloom, among the quiet, not the room. Where dreams once broke and songs ran dry, you taught me how to try, to try. No promises, no perfect vow, just breathe enough for here and now. And maybe that is love's true sound, to lose and still be gently found. So if I fall, let it be slow. Let spring arrive in melting snow. And if you stay, then let it be, not as a cure, but company. So if I fall, let it be slow. Let spring arrive in melting snow. And if you stay, then let it be, not as a cure, but company.